America's eating pancakes. Look at that. This is so good.
So who
Hey,
likes pancakes?
Yeah, who likes pancakes again?
I think it was Canada. Who? Who?
Who?
Who?
Hi, Brooklyn.
Who is this? Canada? Is that what it is? I don't.
Who?
I don't know.
Or maybe
I
it's
think his name is
No,
like
it's
Mary
Canada-
Max. Matt.
It's a
Yeah, that's it. Matt.
Canandaigua or whatever. Canandaigua.
Who?
Canandaigua.
Who?
Canandaigua? Isn't that like south of me? Oh,
No,
Canandaigua.
no, it's actually a.
Who?
Yeah,
Two Englands.
what's the name of that town? The Canandaigua?
Look at those eyebrows.
Yeah, it must be Canandaigua.
Who?
Canandaigua. It's a part of America.
Oh.
Oh
okay.
yeah, that
in New York.
town we named after who?
That's like the only place.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know who that is.
The
The pancakes are good though.
I don't know why.
Pancakes and blue soda.
It tastes like coconut.
Yeah. Is there a Denny's sign anywhere? Oh, no. Denny's. America's Diner.
Is it there in
Oh, yeah.
Canada
Yeah, they're in Canada too.
Wait, where?
Canada.
Where?
Wait, what was I talking about? Where was I talking about?
I don't know. Let's just end this.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.